If you have been using a laptop for long enough, then chances are you may have encountered this kind of a situation where your scroll lock and caps lock are continuously blinking. These kind of LED flashing combinations are quite common in computers because sometimes even when there is no operating system booted up, the hardware might have faced some problems and the manufacturers will have a way of telling you what's wrong. This just happened to me a couple of days ago when I least expected it, and it's fairly new to me. So I started digging up as to what this problem might mean. I found a couple of answers, but there were no videos to clearly demonstrate them in one place. This video is kind of the combination of all those that I found online. This isn't a guarantee by any means, but hopefully it will help you out some way. The first suggestion that you commonly get is to clean your RAM. And that is quite common because sometimes your system doesn't even boot up with a black screen. Even though mine had a screen on it and RAM wasn't clearly an issue, because if your RAM is loose, then you won't even get anything on the display. But still, I gave it a shot. I removed the RAM and cleaned it up, and it seemed to fix the problem for someone, but not me. So if you have this LED blinking problem, then go ahead and try this out. It may work for you. The second most common solution is to pop out the CMOS battery and put it back in. Hardware only seems complicated on the surface, but it's actually really simple. A simple reboot will fix 90% of all your problems. And the only way to restart a hardware component is to pull it out and plug it back in. This did the trick for some people, but not for me. If it worked for you, then great. If not, keep watching. Some people said swapping out the RAM stick from one slot to another helped out, and others said that if you have an extension RAM installed, like 2 sticks of memory in there, then popping out one stick will help you out. I had only 1 stick of RAM installed, and obviously if I pop that out, I won't get anything. You can go ahead and try it out if you have multiple sticks of memory installed. But in my case, I ended up just reinstalling the operating system and it just worked. So keep that as a last case scenario. I simply had to get a new version of the Solus operating system which I use, which I have made a dedicated video on, and I simply reinstalled it on the same partition I made earlier. So all my data is intact and my system boots up normally. I'm not sure what the issue was. Pretty sure it was still a hardware problem, but anyway, for the time being I have a working computer. So there you have it. Those are all the common tips and tricks by which you could solve this scroll lock and caps lock blinking problem. If I helped you out, then definitely consider sticking around for more content like this. If you like watching some product reviews and my opinions on them, then check out my main channel. And with that, until next time, take it easy and I'll see you soon. Cheers.